everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how I quickly dye my eyebrows with this beard dye for men. So let's go jump right into it. So as I mentioned, I use this beard dye just for men in M45, which is in dark brown color. And this box contains color base and color developer, a brush, and this plastic container where we're gonna mix the colors. We're also gonna need some Q-tips and an old eyebrow brush. Alright, so let's start. We're gonna use this plastic container that is included in the box and mix the same amount of this color developer and the base color. And I'm just gonna mix them with this Q-tip that I cut into two. Alright, now that it's mixed together, we're just gonna clear our face with the other strands of our hair and make sure that your eyebrows are clean. Before trying out this product, make sure that you test it on your hand or on your feet at least 72 hours before in case you have any allergic reactions. So before we start, I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows and then I'm gonna use the old or any eyebrow brush that you have, and we're just gonna apply it on the hair. So you just want to put it on the strands of your eyebrows. I don't really like to put it on the skin. So if you think you've made some mistake, you're just gonna clean it with a Q-tip right away, otherwise it will stain. As you can see, it's already starting to develop some color here. I like to put darker at the end of my eyebrows. This looks scary, but that's okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait for 5 minutes now. Initially I wanted it 7 minutes, but I think I was talking a lot, so it's already starting to develop here. But yeah, I'll see you soon. So time's up. Now we're gonna wash it and take it off. You can wash it in the shower, but since we're doing this video, I'm just gonna use a cotton pad and I have some water here. And this is so easy. So you see, this is a very strong color, but it's okay. Don't be afraid. You see? You see the difference? Well, obviously not this, but like it's not really that strong actually. And what I like about this, after like 3 or 4 days, it doesn't turn orange unlike the ones I used to put. It's a Korean product. I used to put those eyebrow dye and Ryan was telling me, what happened to your eyebrows? It's orange. So I hated that. Et voila! Alright, so here you have it. This is the result. If you'd like it to be darker, you can obviously keep the product on a little bit longer, but I would advise maybe maximum 8 or 9 minutes, because I tried one time like 10 minutes and it was too dark. But yeah, so this is what I do with my eyebrows recently, and it's been very nice. Sometimes I don't put any eyebrow makeup anymore, which is fine. So there you have it. If you like this video and if you'd like to try this product, make sure that in the photo this guy have a beard on it, because sometimes they also sell hair dye for the hair, but it has the same picture without the beard. So make sure if you buy this product it has beard on it, because like this one, this is like in German and in French, so there's no English written here, so it could be difficult sometimes. But yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching. A bientôt.